If you have sensitive skin that reacts to shaving, that is, it makes your skin itch or develops rashes, then this is the video to watch. All you need is just 1 carrot. Depending on the quantity you want to make, then wash the carrots very clean. Please click on the red subscribe button so that you keep getting updated videos like this one on beauty and health tips. All you need to do is wash and dice the carrots, put it in a pan, and add half glass of water to it, and then heat it up on the fire for about 10 minutes. You can see I've boiled the carrots for about 10 minutes on the fire. Next, I'm going to sieve the water from the carrots. You can see the water from the carrots. A teaspoon of salt, and mix properly. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you keep getting such beauty tips videos that are very healthy. Mix the salt very well. Make sure it's all melted in the carrots water. And next, I'm going to add a spoon of white vinegar. Also mix. You can use it for any parts of the body that you want to remove hair from. You just get a cotton, soak it in the mixture, and rub on the area. Rub very well, generously everywhere on the area. Then allow to stay for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you now don't wash it, you wipe. It's very healthy. No rashes, no pain, no irritation. You just wipe. It cleans off the hair and makes the area very smooth. No rashes. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please click on the red subscribe button and also like our video. Leave your comment. Please share this video with your loved ones and also watch our other interesting beauty tips videos. Thank you.